Hi, and welcome back to Pretty Creative Stuff. A few weeks ago, my daughter put together a Lego set called Twirling Rapunzel, and it's Lego set number 43214. It's a new for 2023 Lego set, and she really loves it.
I like this Lego set because it twirls.
One problem, which we didn't show in the video that we made about the Lego build, one problem was that it was missing a piece. She was able to put it together without that missing piece. So we did the video without the piece and cut out the part where she was frantically looking for it and it was nowhere to be found. Even though we were able to assemble it without the missing piece, it kind of bothers us that the piece is missing. One wonderful thing is that I can go to lego.com and let them know that the package was missing a piece and they will send it to us. I am going to show you how to do that. So if you ever have a Lego set that has a missing piece or a broken piece, you can get that piece replaced for free at lego.com as long as they still have the piece in stock. So here's what we're going to do. We're at lego.com and I'm going to click Help. Now you'll see it gives me several options, and one of the options is replacement parts. So I'm going to click replacement parts. Now it gives us several options here. So you can tell us if something is missing, which is my situation. You can let us know if a brick has broken, and that actually happened to us once. My son had a Hogwarts Harry Potter Lego set with the snake from the first movie, and the snake's mouth was broken. So we let them know that that was broken and they sent us a new snake head. It was great. You can choose missing bricks, broken bricks, or you can buy bricks. If you just are like, this is a really cool piece, I want an extra one, you can buy it. But we're going to go to missing bricks because that is the situation here. And I live in the United States, so I'm going to go ahead and click that. Now you get to search for the missing piece. The easiest way to do that is if you have the set number. If you do not have the set number, but you know the type of Lego set, you could search Harry Potter, Disney Princess, Lego Friends, something to help you find the piece easier. But the easiest thing is if you have the Lego set number. Every Lego set has its own unique number. And if you do not know what the number is, you could quickly go to Google and search and find the number that way by finding a picture of the box or the set or something that will give you the set number. All right, but we are going to do the Lego set number because I have that. It is 43214, and then I'm going to click the search. It brings up the set, makes sure this is the correct set, and it is. Is Twirling Rapunzel. And then if I scroll down, it shows me all the pieces. So I could get Pascal replaced if it didn't include Pascal or any of these bricks. The brick that I am looking for is these little light purple ones that stack up. We are missing one of these. We were one short on those. So we were still able to assemble it, but it's a little bit annoying having a missing brick. So I am going to scroll down until I see that. I'm going to click load more, and here it is. It's this piece right here. So I will add to bag. You can see some of these, for example, the top part of Rapunzel or her dress, it has this little exclamation point. Let's see what that means. You see you can get anything replaced if you're missing a brick from your bag, and it's very similar setup. If a piece is broken, you just scroll through and choose the piece that is missing or broken. And then we'll go to our bag. And I don't actually want this one, but you can see if it has a little exclamation point in the triangle, it means this part is out of stock. If you submit your request, we'll get in touch to let you know when it's expected back or to offer you a substitute. I have had that happen before too. One time we ordered a Lego set. It was an Elsa set, I believe, and it came with Bruni, the fire spirit, or it was supposed to, but the piece was missing. So we did a missing piece, and we had a little exclamation point telling us the part was out of stock, but a few weeks later, sure enough, it arrived in the mail. So I'm going to go ahead and delete this one because I do not need that one. I just need one of these purple bricks, and I'm going to click confirm order. So I get to this page and it tells me to add my address and all of my shipping information, and then we click next and we confirm the one piece that we need shipped and make sure the mailing information is correct, and then click confirm and send request. Now it can take a while for these bricks to be shipped. One time I ordered pick-a-brick bricks for my son for Christmas, and I don't think they arrived in time because they shipped from Sweden, where Lego is located. You're not going to get it the next day. This isn't like Amazon shipping, but you will get the brick for free without having to buy a new Lego set, which is very helpful. This is what you will get in the mail. It is a bag, and it will include the missing brick. In this case, it was a 4+ Lego set. I think this was the one the missing Bruni came in. So our bag may look a little bit different for the Twirling Rapunzel replacement brick, but you'll get that with the brick inside, and then you'll also get a letter telling you they're sorry that your Lego was missing, and also have a list of the bricks that were included in this shipment.
Be sure to like and subscribe. Bye.